Hey guys, Mars here, and this time I got the Kinera Celest Yaksha IEM. It was sent to me by Kinera and it cost about $139 or so. And today we're gonna measure it and make a first listening impressions. And let's see what's inside. It has the green color. It's available also in red, but I chose green. Let's see if it really sent the green one. It has nice packaging. The way, here it is. Okay. It's a cleaning cloth, a manual, and here there guys, they're beautiful. Can you see that? Looks very nice. And this time with the hard case. This packaging is new for Kinera guys, and Celeste. Just very nice cable, and 3 types of ear tips. This style of packaging is new for Kinera. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's nothing else. Okay, let's listen to it. First, we use the stock cable. It's a very nice stock cable, guys. Love it. It's not a modular cable. The plug is not modular, but I chose the 4.4 mm plug. It has a multicolored wires and it's thick, like an expensive set. Okay, what ear tips do we choose? This one is a small bore tips. It's a wide bore tips, and okay, I'll choose this one. It's the 07 type of ear tips. This is the large. We'll try it. Okay. First, look at it, guys. Look at it. Looks pretty. Very pretty. It feels light. And there's the nozzle. Okay. This one's the right side. And the left side. Okay, we'll take first listen to it. This is the Shanling M3 Plus. Okay, just pick a random song. Okay, it has a neutral tonality, and it has a high resolution mid-range and treble, The bass is neutral. It's not very boosted. The overall sound is clear. Okay, let's have a measure. Let's take a measurement. I gotta have to change the ear tips to my standard measuring ear tips. It's the TRN T tips, and I have to change this one, the cable, because my measurement tool, my measuring rig has only 3.5 mm input, and this is a 3.5 mm cable. Okay. First, we measure the right side. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll measure it, guys. Let's start the measurement. That's the graph, guys. It's a slightly V-shaped graph. There's the peak of the measurement tool. Actually, it's not. I don't think I can hear it. It's very narrow peak. This one, nice. Okay, that's the graph. Okay, I'll post my full written review of this in a couple of weeks. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye till we meet again.